In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change language on Steam. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to open up Steam and then click right here at the very top left hand corner at Steam and then select Settings. At Settings, we need to go to the interface right over here, and that's where at the very top, at the first position, we can easily find Steam Client Language. Now English is selected, however, we can click right here to reveal that list, and then from here we can select any language we would like to use, and then once the language is selected, you can click at Restart Now. It will shut down your Steam client, and after that your Steam will be reopened. Now, as you can see, Steam is being loaded and it is already showing us all the system menus in the language we have recently selected. That's how we can easily change language on Steam, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.